To make a double crochet stitch, we take our yarn over our hook, through the center of our stitch, yarn over, pull it back through. We have 3 loops on our hook. Take it yarn over. This time we take it through the first 2 loops on our hook. We have 2 left. We go yarn over and take it through the second 2 loops on our hook. And that's a double crochet. So we go yarn over, through the center of our stitch, pull our yarn over and back through the stitch. We have 3 loops. We yarn over through the first 2 loops on our hook. We have 2 left. Yarn over through the last 2 loops on our hook. And that is a double crochet stitch.